Explaindio 4.0 is an all-in-one video creator that focuses on helping you create attention-grabbing, professional-looking 2D, 3D explainer, training videos, whiteboard sketch elements and full-motion video in just minutes. It's the easy-to-use drag and drop video creator, proven video creator that will attract, engage, and convert visitors to buyers. Video has become the most powerful way for businesses and marketers to sell and engage with their target audiences online. But this is not just about having a video. Video is an online reflection of your business, and visitors judge your business based on experience from watching your video. All it takes for your visitor to turn away from your website forever is a bad first impression caused by a non-appealing video. Instantly grabbing visitors' attention, engaging them, and building trust are the key factors of a powerful video. Unfortunately, without the right tool, such content is difficult to create. It requires graphical and programming expertise, or, if you outsource it, it could cost $10,000 for a 5-minute video. Explaindio 4.0 is the world's most powerful and easiest to use animated marketing and sales video creator with the highest engaging scene templates. There are two ways to make videos in new Explaindio 4.0: an easy and an advanced modes. In easy mode, all it takes is 3 steps to make incredible animated marketing and sales videos. Step 1. Select the scene template. Step 2. Add text, images and/or videos. Step 3. Tweak scene template and hit create video. You will be comfortable on Explaindio 4.0 easy mode within the first 15-minute session. It's that easy. Not coding, design or technical skills required. Just select a scene template, tweak, and done. You get 200 stunning animated scene templates along with Explaindio 4.0 software, so you can start making marketing and sales animated videos in minutes. Explaindio 4.0 features: engage and attract. Get more leads and sales. Explaindio 4.0 videos grabbed attention. That means it stops visitors as they scroll through their social media and gets them to watch your video. Using this software, you can engage and attract more visitors to your website to help you get more leads and sales. The cost was jaw-dropping. Get 100% free traffic, tell a story, or promote a product. Elevate your videos in 60 seconds. Brands like Starbucks, M&M's, Wendy's, Samsung and many other Fortune 500 companies use this style of video to make an announcement, tell a story, promote a product, or even promote an event. Use them in your video to elevate the video, share a stronger story, and get more views. Get more likes and shares. Just a few Explaindio 4.0 features. Explaindio 4.0 multiple animations at the same time. Full multi-timeline editing. Full 3D animations. Imported external 3D elements. 3D models and animation customization. 180 plus pre-made text animation. 140 plus pre-made video, image, doodle objects animations. Easy video creation wizard. Keyframe animation. Built-in transitions. Pixabay integration. Explaindio 4.0 import videos in most popular format like AVI, WMV, FLV, MOV, and MP4. Create attention-getting animation. Build engaging animated scenes. Produce Hollywood-like promo videos. Explaindio 4.0 make creative kinetic typography. High-quality parallax videos. Animate product launch videos. Explaindio 4.0 make top-converting YouTube outros. Create eye-catching logo. Explaindio 4.0 create black and white doodle sketch videos. Create color doodle sketch videos. Explaindio 4.0 frequently asked questions. Who's the creator of Explaindio 4.0? It was created by a talented man named Andrew Darius. This is probably a very familiar name on the JZoo. As an affiliate marketer and a well-known supplier, Andrew Darius further affirms his reputation in the affiliate marketing industry through sales crunches in the short term. Starixi, email indulge, Vidently, Celescopy maker, Explaindio participant, Viditor, And even more are the products that have helped raise his profile. Look at the achievements he achieved as well as the first 3 versions of Explaindio. I bet that Explaindio 4.0 will be the next big hit in the market. Is this a desktop software? Does Explaindio 4.0 work for PC and Mac? This is a desktop-based software available for both PC or Mac. Internet is required for initial install and cloud access. How many videos can I create? There is no limit to the number of videos you create for your personal use. If you want to use it for clients or sell, you will need an enterprise license, which will be an added expense. How many computers can I install Explaindio 4.0 on? You can install this software on 1 computer. If you want to install it on up to 5 computers, you will need an enterprise license, which will be an added expense. How much do updates cost? They include all updates for free for the duration of the license.